Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect your Samsung The Freestyle projector to your iPhone hotspot, it can feel a bit tricky at first, especially if the network doesn't show up or keeps disconnecting. Many users think something is wrong with the projector, but in most cases, it's just a matter of setting up the hotspot correctly and connecting through the right menu. Since the Freestyle relies on Wi-Fi for streaming apps and updates, having a stable hotspot connection is very important. The best thing is that once you follow the correct steps, you can quickly get your projector online using your iPhone anywhere. Try these. Step 1. Turn on Personal Hotspot on your iPhone. Step 2. Keep the hotspot screen open to ensure it stays discoverable. Step 3. On the Freestyle, go to Settings, then Network, then open Network Settings. Step 4. Select your iPhone hotspot name from the Wi-Fi list. Step 5. Enter the hotspot password correctly. Step 6. Confirm connection and test apps to ensure internet is working.